To fix an Eero blinking white then red, start by understanding the meaning of the lights. A blinking white light indicates the Eero is booting up or trying to connect to the internet, while a red light signifies a connection issue or an error. First, restart your Eero by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. If the issue persists, check your internet connection by ensuring your modem is working properly and all cables are securely connected. Try restarting your modem as well to see if this resolves the issue. Next, check for any physical obstructions or interference that may be affecting your Eero's signal. Move your Eero to a central location to improve its coverage area. Then, check for firmware updates in the Eero app, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. If an update is available, follow the in-app instructions to install it. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reset your Eero to its factory settings. To do this, press and hold the reset button on the back of the Eero for about 10 seconds until the light turns red. Then release it. The Eero will automatically restart and be ready for setup again. Finally, if the problem continues, contact Eero support for further assistance, as there may be a hardware issue that requires professional attention. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Eero blinking white then red issue and get your network up and running smoothly.